So here we are on the question set 1. And if you want to join the one-to-one sessions, you can fill up this form. I'll share the link in the description section. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe, learn with Nisha ji, right? So let's discuss the question. So the first question says, what are canal rays? Okay. Canal rays, they are positive rays. Isko anode rays भी बोलते हैं. They are streams of positively charged particles. Okay. तो ये पहले कब डिस्कवर हुए थे? When Eugen Goldstein in 1886 during experiments, he found them with the discharge tubes. Okay. Now, canal rays are produced in a gas discharge tube when a high voltage is applied across a low pressure gas, right? Rays are composed of positive ions which are formed by the removal of electrons from gas atoms in the tube. Now they travel in the opposite direction of cathode rays, that is electrons moving toward the cathode and through perforations in it, hence they are called canal rays. Okay? So this is all about canal rays. Now the second question says, if an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not? Okay. तो ये जो एटम है वो हमारा इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल होगा. इट विल नॉट कैरी एनी नेट चार्ज. क्यों? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन पे जो चार्ज है वो -1 होता है, प्रोटॉन पे जो चार्ज है वो +1 होता है. तो -1 + 1 इज 0, तो ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. सो नो ओवरऑल चार्ज इज देयर, राइट? सो लाइक आप इसको बोल सकते हो हाइड्रोजन एटम. ठीक है, इट इज सिंपलेस्ट न्यूट्रल एटम इन नेचर, जिसमें 1 प्रोटॉन है और 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, राइट? So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe the channel and stay tuned to Learn with Nisha ji.